is something most English learners don't know. Just 1,000 words cover about 80% of everyday English conversation.
80% from just 1,000 words?
That means you don't need to know every word in the dictionary. You just need the right words.
The most common ones, the ones native speakers use every single day.
And today, we're going to practice them. Not as a list, not as a test.
As real conversations, real situations, real A1 English.
Stay with us. This one is going to change how you see English vocabulary forever.
Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. So happy you're here today.
This is A1 English, beginner level. Simple words, short sentences.
Today, we focus on the most common English words, the ones you need most right now.
We're going to learn them through conversations, stories, real situations.
Not memorization, not lists, real living English.
Let's start.
Okay, Mia, let's start with the most basic words, words about people and places.
Because every conversation involves a person, and every story happens somewhere.
Listen to these words. Say them quietly as you hear them.
Person, man, woman, child, baby, family, friend, teacher, doctor.
House, home, school, work, store, hospital, restaurant, park, city.
Now, let's use them in simple sentences.
The man is at work.
The woman is at home.
The child is at school.
My friend lives in the city.
The doctor is at the hospital.
I like this restaurant.
See how natural those are? Simple words, simple sentences, real meaning.
Quick quiz. Where does a child usually go to learn? A, hospital. B, school. B, school. The child is at school.
Let's hear a short dialogue using people and place words. Two family members at home.
I'm the mother. You're the child.
Ready.
Good morning. Are you ready for school?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, I am ready.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate bread and milk.
Good. Your friend is outside. He is waiting.
Okay, I go now. Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
Simple words. Family, friend, school, home, morning, breakfast.
All common. All real. All A1 English.
And notice short sentences, 3 to 6 words each. Perfect for beginners.
Okay, word group 2, actions. These are the most important words in English.
Because every sentence needs an action. Something happening, something being done.
Listen to these action words.
Go, come, eat, drink, sleep, wake up, walk, run, sit, stand.
Talk, listen, read, write, work, study, play, help, buy, pay.
Open, close, give, take, make, need, want, like, love, know.
Now, let's use them in sentences.
I go to work every day.
She drinks coffee in the morning.
He reads a book at night.
We eat dinner together.
They play in the park.
I need help, please.
She loves her family.
He knows the answer.
Quick quiz. What action word means you want something very much?
A, sleep. B, love.
Both are strong feelings, but love is the strongest positive emotion in English.
I love my family. I love the city. I love coffee.
Use love for the things that matter most to you.
Let's hear a dialogue using action words. Two coworkers at work.
I'm Tom. You're Lisa.
Ready.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you?
Good morning, Tom. I am good. I need coffee. I am very tired.
Me too. I worked late last night.
Oh, did you eat breakfast?
No, I don't have time.
Here, take this. I have extra bread.
Thank you, Lisa. You are very kind.
No problem. Let's go. The meeting starts at 9.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go.
Action words everywhere. Need, work, eat, take, have, go, start.
These are the engine of English. Without action words, nothing moves.
Learn them. Feel them. Use them.
Word group 3. Describing words. These make your English come alive.
Without describing words, everything is flat. With them, English becomes colorful.
Listen.
Big, small, tall, short, old, new, young, fast, slow.
Hot, cold, warm, good, bad, beautiful, happy, sad, tired, hungry.
Easy, hard, clean, dirty, quiet, loud, rich, poor, right, wrong.
Now let's use them.
The coffee is hot.
This bag is very heavy.
She is a beautiful person.
The test was hard.
My house is small but clean.
He is a good teacher.
I am tired and hungry.
The city is loud and busy.
Quick quiz. What word means the opposite of big?
A, fast. B, small.
B, small. Big and small are opposites.
Describing words always work in pairs. Big and small. Hot and cold. Good and bad.
Learn them in pairs. It's faster and easier.
You know, Mia, learning common words through real conversations is so much better than memorizing lists.
Completely. When you hear a word in a real sentence, you remember it naturally.
That's what we're doing here. A1 English through real situations, real feelings, real life.
So if this feels good, if you're following along, please subscribe.
New A1 English vocabulary practice every week. We're not going anywhere.
We really appreciate every person who listens. Thank you. Word group 4. Time words. So important for every conversation.
Because everything happens at a time, in the past, now, or in the future.
Listen.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, later, soon, always, never, sometimes, usually.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night, week, month, year, before, after, again.
Let's use them.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Yesterday, I went to the store.
Tomorrow, I visit my friend.
I always drink water.
I never eat fast food.
Sometimes I feel tired.
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
See you later.
Quick quiz. What word means the day before today?
A, tomorrow. B, yesterday.
B, yesterday. The day before today is yesterday.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow. 3 of the most used time words in English.
See them again. Today, yesterday, tomorrow.
Perfect.
Listening practice time. A short story using all the common words we learned today.
Listen carefully, then we'll ask questions.
This is the story of a normal day for a woman named Sarah.
Sarah wakes up every morning at 7. She is a teacher. She lives in a small house in the city.
Every morning she makes coffee. She drinks it slowly. Then she eats bread with butter.
She walks to school. It is not far.
The school is clean and quiet in the morning.
Sarah loves her work. She is a good teacher. Her students like her very much.
After work, she goes to the store. She buys food for dinner. She pays and goes home.
At night, she reads a book. She is happy and tired. She sleeps at 10.
Okay, questions. What time does Sarah wake up?
7. Every morning at 7.
What is Sarah's job?
She is a teacher.
What does she do after work?
She goes to the store. She buys food.
And what time does she sleep?
At 10. At night.
Did you understand the whole story?
Every word in that story was a common, everyday English word.
Wakes up, makes, drinks, eats, walks, loves, buys, pays, reads, sleeps.
Action words, describing words, time words, people words, all working together.
That is real A1 English in action.
One more group, question words, because questions start conversations.
And conversations build relationships.
Listen to these question words.
What? Where? When? Who? Why? How? How much? How many? How long? Which?
Now, let's use them.
What is your name?
Where do you live?
When do you wake up?
Who is your teacher?
Why are you sad?
How are you today?
How much does this cost?
How many people are there?
How long does it take?
Which bag is yours?
10 question words, and you can start a conversation anywhere.
Quick quiz. You want to know the price of something. Which question word do you use?
A. Who? B. How much?
B. How much? How much is this? That asks for the price.
Learn these 10 words, and you can ask anything.
Questions open doors. Always.
Let's hear one final conversation, using all 5 word groups together.
2 friends, Maya and Sam, at a cafe.
Hey, Maya, how are you today?
Hi, Sam. I am good. A little tired. How about you?
I am great. I need coffee. Where is the waiter?
He is coming. What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich. I am very hungry. I did not eat breakfast today.
Me too. Yesterday, I ate a big breakfast. Today, nothing.
Why?
I wake up late. No time.
I understand. How much is the coffee here?
$3. It is good and hot.
Perfect. I always love this cafe. It is small and quiet.
Me too. I come here every week.
That conversation used over 50 common English words. Naturally, comfortably, easily.
People words, action words, describing words, time words, question words.
All 5 groups. One real conversation.
That is what common words do. They build everything.
Okay, let's review our 5 word groups from today.
Group 1, people and places. Person, family, friend, home, school, work, city.
Group 2, actions. Go, eat, drink, work, help, love, know, need, want, work.
Group 3, describing words. Big, small, good, bad, hot, cold, happy, tired.
Group 4, time words. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, always, never, morning, night.
Group 5, question words. What, where, when, who, why, how much.
5 groups, most common English words, real A1 English.
And remember, you don't need every word in the dictionary.
You need the right words, the common ones. the ones real people use every day.
And now you have them.
Everyone, that was real English vocabulary practice, and you stayed all the way through.
That means something. That is commitment. And commitment is how language grows.
Your challenge today? Pick one word from each group. 5 words total.
And use them today in a sentence, out loud, in your head, anywhere.
5 words, 5 sentences. Real A1 English. Starting today.
If you enjoyed this, please like and share with someone who is also learning English.
And subscribe. We have more A1 vocabulary and conversation practice coming every week.
Leave us a comment. Tell us which word group was most helpful today. People, actions, describing, time, questions?
Write it below. In English. Even one word. We love hearing from you.
Next time, we're going to practice the most common English phrases, the short ones natives say every day that textbooks never teach.
That one is going to be really good.
Come back for it. We'll be here.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.